Presenting the Street Dabbers and Paint range by Montanacolors. 10 gloss finish solvent-based colors inspired by the hardcore range. The dabbers are available in two sizes, 30ml and 90ml, with 10mm and 18mm tips. Shake the dabbers and refills vigorously before use. You can refill your dabbers with street paint. The paint is opaque and fast drying. Street paint is very permanent. For that reason, we recommend using gloves. Ideal for wood, plastic, metal, glass. By squeezing more or less on the dabber, you can control the amount of drips. How would you use it?